Hey, it's Gilbert here. In this video, I'm going to do a quick video on sharpening your chain on your chainsaw. Mine's a Husqvarna. I'm using the Husqvarna kit. Comes with a flat file, a couple round files, a handle, and this little guide, which I'll show you how to use. Right here, it should tell you on your saw what size you need. Mine is a .325. So that's the kit I got. Mark whichever tooth you're going to be starting with, which mine is marked somewhere. Figures, there it is. There's my mark. I'm working this way. You can work whichever way you want. This, ignore the flat piece initially. And this will set in these different directions, and you want it to set it flat where your file will go here, right up against the tooth. Don't push down on the rollers too much. Just 1, 2, 3, however many you need. I generally do like 5. And what I do is one side at a time. Move the chain, move to the next tooth. Just set it down. 1. Helps if you got it in a vise or something. You really don't want it dragging on that. But that's it. I'll then turn it around, do them the other side. I do my filing towards the front because that's the cutting surface, just like you would on a knife. Started drizzling on me, so I had to move locations. However, couple other things. One, these arrows right here, they need to point to the front of the chain when you are putting them on. So if you do it this way, that's going to be a little off. So you want to do it, arrows pointing towards the front. All right, so let's look at guides. This piece, this is just a quick guide cutter. So you place, so you got hard or soft wood, depending on what you're cutting. If it's oak or something hard, use the hard. And if it's like pine or something, use soft. If it's in the middle, sorry. So I'm gonna use soft. So, and you don't have to do the guide every time. What you do is you place it here, this opening on the guide with the front down on the chain. Now you take the flat file and now see, mine doesn't need it, so it's not actually going to cut, but if you needed it, you slide the flat file across. There's a little bit of touching. Slide the flat file across to set the guide height. What the guide does, what this piece here does, is it controls how much of a bite you're going to get from the cutter. Softwoods, they can handle a bigger bite, whereas oak, you want a smaller bite. Hence the filing of your guides to be hard or soft. And there are actual gauges you can get for this, but this is the Husqvarna chain sharpening kit that I'm showing. And that's it. You're good to go. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.